In our app, CAST members are free to log in with their CAST SSO or KLMS account. Our app can only be used by CAST members, so there will be no security concern. After the user login, they can view the current machine status by clicking the Using Washer or Using Dryer button. They will be directed to the map view. Or they can select the list view, to see whether there is an available machine. After selecting the machine that the user would like to use, they can input the estimated time remained, which is visible on the actual washer or dryer. The system will confirm the user's input. By clicking OK, the information will be updated also on the home page. Besides, there is a bulletin board which enables communication among users. They can write new post, view others' post, and leave comments. At last, the users can set the type of notification they would like to receive. They can also choose the language they prefer, as well as sending their inquiry through Contact Us. Of course, they can log out.